Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use AI in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Canva has just launched a new feature called Canva AI, and I'm going to show you how this feature looks like. Okay, basically we can use the AI to create something. We can create an image or code, or we can ask the AI to write something. It's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to ask the AI to create an image. Wait, let me choose this one. And I'm going to add the image, add the image description I have just created. And here I can paste it in this section. Okay, and then we can click on this icon to submit and let the AI create images for us. Okay, all right, and this is the result guys. You just need to select the image you want to download, and you can click on this download icon to download it, and we can get it for free. Okay, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Canva AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!